Hello, welcome to episode 60 of the Daily Shed, and today's going to be a level 1 lesson. This is kind of for beginning in fingerstyle. I'm going to show a very simple pattern. This just uses your thumb, index, and middle fingers. And over 4 basic chords. Start with a C, and I'll show you the basic pattern. So, over your C chord, so your thumb is going to play the root note, which is on the A string, on the second string down. So, put your thumb there, play that first note. Use your middle finger on the B string. That's the 5th string down. So, okay. Then your thumb moves to the 3rd string, the D string. Like that. And it ends up with your index finger on the G string. And your thumb is going down, rest of your fingers pulling up, plucking up like that. So, and you want to keep each note very clean. You want each one to ring out. And start with those 4 and try to get them very even. You take it very slow at first, but get them very even. The name of the game here is to get them very even with the same strength and power and have each one ring out. Slowly you can increase in speed over time. And once you get it up to speed a bit more, it's a very, very easy going, very common finger picking pattern. Okay. I'll show you another chord then over G. In this case, all you have to do is play on the 3rd fret of the E string. This is a G, that's the root of the chord, that's the name of the chord. You're not going to be using the top E string at all, so you don't need to fret any note there. So, again, use your thumb on the root, so there. Then hit the open B string. So your middle finger plays the same string, middle finger. Your thumb, then on the D string, index finger on the G string. So, 1st string E, 5th string B, 3rd string D, 4th string G. Starting with the C, go with twice, and then G, and then A minor. Okay, so your fingers will be playing the same notes as the C chord we started with. Again, your thumb on the A string, 2nd string down, middle finger on the 5th string down, the B string, thumb on the D string, 3rd string down, index finger on the G string, 4th string down. That twice, and then an F. And this is an easier way to play the F than doing a big bar chord. It's like this. So your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the A string, pinky on the 3rd fret of the D string, middle finger on the 2nd fret of the G string, and index finger on the 1st fret of the B string. And your right hand fingers will play the same notes as the A minor. Again, your thumb on the 2nd string, the A string, middle finger on the 5th string down, the B string, thumb on the 3rd string down, the D string, index finger on the G string, the 4th string down. Play that twice. It's not going through the whole thing, very slow. And try to have each note ring out as long as possible, and have your right hand produce the same volume for each note. And when you do your chord switches, try to have them as even as possible. Let them ring out as long as you can before switching, and try to switch out very evenly. And when you do switch, pay attention to your root note first, because that's the first note you'll be hitting. So aim for that root note first. It'll help you make your transitions smoother. So starting with the C, then look to switching to that root. On the A minor, it's open A string, so you can play that while your other fingers are getting in place. Then the F, you're actually playing, the root is actually on the 3rd string down, even though you're fretting on the 2nd string. It's in the chord. So aim for that first. I'll play the whole thing again just a little bit faster. So if you get comfortable with that, that's a very good start to finger picking and getting your at least these three fingers involved. Eventually we'll move to the ring finger. But for now you can just get your thumb, your index, and your middle finger. You can get a lot of mileage out of that. So hope this is useful to you if you're starting in fingerstyle. Let me know any comments or questions you might have, and thanks for watching.